Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Want to circle back to the idea of where I find the stocks that I trade or invest in. And it normally stems back to a company that I have personal experience with, whether it's a product I buy or a service I use or a place that I go. And today's example is just another one of those cases. This is a place that my wife and I frequent. And, with that, when the opportunity to invest in somewhere that I spend my money comes along or an opportunity to trade it, of course I want to capture that. So before we jump in, of course, anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Take a quick second, look over this disclaimer, and we'll get right to it. So the stock we're going to talk about today is MGM, and MGM manages the hotel casino called the Bellagio on the Las Vegas Strip. Now, this is a place my wife and I have gone several times. There's a picture of us out at dinner, and of course a picture of the hotel. The Bellagio is well known for being one of the most luxurious hotels in Las Vegas, and also they put on this world-renowned water show right out front. I mean, nobody's ever gone to Vegas and this has not caught their attention. It's completely eye-grabbing. It's one of the most beautiful places to stay. It's a first-class experience, and we really enjoy it. So of course, for me, whenever I go somewhere and spend my money, I want to know, where's the opportunity here as an investor? Can I get a piece of the action in a place I'm spending my money on? I've never gone here and the place been quiet. I mean, it's always booming. The restaurants are great and amazing. The casino is great and amazing. The bars, the atmosphere. I mean, the place is clean as clean could be. It's really a great place to go if you've never been to Vegas. Make it a point to stop at the Bellagio. I've stayed at a bunch of other places, visited a bunch of other places. Really first class. So again, we'll circle back to MGM because MGM Resorts is the managing company that runs the Bellagio essentially. So a long position was triggered here, utilizing our tools here at Hawkeye, as on the back end of the sell-off from the COVID-19 correction. Now, we are reaching new highs higher than we were at before the COVID-19 correction. Now, Las Vegas had taken a really disruptive beating from the COVID-19 pandemic. They are a complete and entire city in the middle of nowhere in a desert that is built 150% around hospitality. We all know hospitality took the largest and strongest, hardest hit. So Vegas is in the process of recovering. They are going through the reopening phases. They are back online. The restaurants are opening. The casinos are opening. The resorts are opening. The pools are opening. So as all of this starts to come back online, the excitement of what's coming is triggering opportunities to buy this stock to the long side. So as this one triggered in the mid $35 area, we're floating around $40 right now, but this may have greater potential. It just, we are making and testing brand new highs for this particular company. And listen, things look good. As I said, my wife and I have had several fantastic experiences at the Bellagio. In fact, we had planned to get married there, and then the pandemic came. We had the chapel in the Bellagio booked, and our entire wedding party coming there, to join us. And I'll tell you something, they gave us back every single penny. They were first class about the entire thing. And we will always forever patronize them because we are grateful for the quality company in which they are. So this may be a stock to look at, for a play on this reopening move and some continuation upside here. Things are starting to come back online. This vaccination is being rolled out fairly well. And of course, there's going to be hiccups along the way. But the hospitality group, of course, is poised for a really great rebound as they took a really bad beating. Your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. So guys, whatever it is in your life you're passionate about, something inside of you is holding you back, and it's normally fear. And how do we overcome fear? We overcome fear with courage. So if there's something that is inside of you that you're waiting to move forward, if you're waiting to take that next step, trust me, it's going to be uncomfortable. But the process of moving in the direction of what you really want to be in is something that you will regret if you don't do it. So I encourage you to find the courage to overcome the fear, to step forward towards whatever your passion may be, and excel at it to be the very best you can. So guys, to learn more about how you can identify how your reopening companies are poised to take off and how you can take the best advantage of them, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it will take you to the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to show you example after example of how we use our volume-based indicators to, in fact, get ahead of the price action that the market is going to produce for us. Click this link, check out the training webinar, get signed up. We have a ton of training material in the members area, and also as a member you get to spend 1 hour with me every Wednesday morning analyzing the stock market on the live edge of the market from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. So guys, click that link. I'd love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family, and I look forward to working with you, and I wish you a blessed day. Take care.